Welcome back to the wild. It's Cypris. So the long and short of it is, I bought a friend. This arrived for me today. It came from Amazon, but the seller was Morris Costume. I'm a little concerned because this is a lot lighter than I expected. Also, the box is dinged up a little bit. Big old hole right there. Not to mention the accordion shape here on the cardboard from some kind of stress. I'm worried that whatever's inside is going to be busted and I'm going to have to send it back. And I'm not okay with that because I actually want what's inside here. Yeah, see, I don't think something's supposed to be rattling around loose. I think it's all supposed to be attached in one piece. No assembly required. I'm actually in the market for a regular, like natural looking, full-size skeleton. But as I was looking, I fell in love. So, irresponsibly, I got this one instead. Oh, there she is! Yeah, I don't know what this goes to, but it looks like the trap door to maybe the back of the skull, and I don't see where the screw's at. Not looking good so far. Did she arrive with her brains dashed out in the bottom of the box? Fortunately, she doesn't have any brains because she's just a skeleton. This is already scuffed up here. Not happy about that. I don't know how to do this in a way that is... Oh, okay. This is what I heard rattling around. A battery just loose in the box. Just thrown in. It's nice that they include one, but why was it not secure? Little indent there for the tailbone. Nice if bleachers had that. And then there's just other cardboard from keeping the head like pillowed, secured. Alright, darling. I don't know if her chrome is coming off or if it's supposed to look like that. Can you see that? The chrome on her forehead is not fully intact. Like she got all scuffed up somehow. This jaw's not staying closed either. I wonder if this can be tightened. There are screws in there. Oh, it looks like there are noises. Can you see that? Try me button is not working. Here's where this goes, and I do see a screw here. Looks like there should be 3 batteries. So that's curious. Why was there 1 battery instead of 3? Did she return? Oh, I see. Oh, nope. 2 more batteries. Because that's an appropriate place to put them, just rattling around in the bag. Totally safe for batteries to just be unpackaged, rattling around in a big old box for several days across country. No problems there at all. Okay, she's got to be new because she's hog-tied. She's got zip ties restraining her into what I am assuming is her version of the fetal position. Oh, that's not standard issue, genetically speaking. That's some kind of leftover from the mold, I guess. That's not how people's sternums actually look. We're not all born with little circular insignias on our sternums. I guess I'm gonna have to get some scissors. Alrighty, milady, I will free you from your bonds. I thought there were instructions, but they're just super generic, like how to put batteries in a battery holder. That's it. I should probably test her before I release her, shouldn't I? Make sure she's actually working. Okay. I know we just met, but I guess I'm performing skull surgery on you. I hope this does not put a damper on our getting to know each other. Boy, I feel like that's stripped out before it's even been used once. I may be replacing that screw eventually. And by may, I mean will. Heck, I hope these batteries actually work. Okay, I hope this feels better. Putting your skull back together. Oh, weird, there's like a gasket here. I wonder if that's to keep rain out? That's what it is, isn't it? This is designed to be able to go outside if necessary for Halloween-y type activities, front porches and the like. Alright, moment of truth. Is the head on this screw big enough to actually hold this cap in place? I don't know how long that's gonna stay. Alright, time to see if she works. Wait, this lever on the back of her head is all chewed up. I believe she's new, but I feel like weird things have happened to her since she was manufactured and has been sitting somewhere in a warehouse. So it's kind of effed up. Nevertheless, here she is. How's that slack jaw, honey? We tighten this a little bit, or is that pointless? Ooh, it seems to be a little tighter. I know we've just met, but you don't mind me shoving a screwdriver into your jaw. Oh ho ho! Okay. I feel like she's gonna be slack-jawed a lot. Boy, she's quite, you're not as down to earth as I expected you to be, but of course, what kind of chrome skeleton would be down to earth? I mean, she definitely came from some spaceship, right? No moldering graves for this one. She was a cosmic corpse. I don't know if this is going to embarrass her or not, but I should point out there are places where the glue is decidedly visible. And there goes her jaw. She may be pose and stay, but her jaw's not. Yeah. I'm just driving those screws deeper into her head. She's gonna be looking surprised a lot. Alright, stop yapping and start freeing the skeleton. Oh dear. She's already got a warped finger. Okay, manufacturing on this was pretty cheap. In fact, the wrist joint, if you have any experience with skeletons, this is a really cheap wrist joint. That's not gonna last very long. Oh, she is pose and stay. Sup? Give me 5. Can these turn at all, or are they? Nope. Holy cow. This whole thing is pretty brittle. It's adorable, but I'm gonna have to be real gentle with this thing to keep her from breaking any bones. Alright, my dear, it's time to stretch out after your long voyage. There's no way to make the wrists stay either. They are as they are. Boy, I'm scared just to try to move her. I feel like I'm gonna break her. Alright, her hip joints are these little zigzag joints as well, so they should just work by force, which... Hi, you pulling my hair already? I guess we know each other better than we thought. Alright, how did you get your leg up past your hip like that? Okay, breathe. At least it looks like it is a semi-normal position now. Alright, you can do it. I know you've been cramped for a while, but it'll feel good to stretch it out, I hope. What's that joint doing? I'm gonna sit here for a second and chill after that. She's not actually taller than me, she just weighs less, so she's not pushing the couch cushions down. Hello, nice to meet you. Or are you the silent type? Okay, so the arms can only move like this. If you try to do like this, they'll break. We never did figure out why it looks like sound is supposed to come out. Maybe a different model does have sound. Maybe the mold is just the same for several different models and this one doesn't have the sound included. That's okay. I'm good with just the eyes. I don't need her talking back. Alright, I think it's time we got to know Karla. Let's play with her a little bit. Ugh, every time I feel like I'm gonna break you. That sounds so bad. Why, those hips are not designed for sitting. I don't know, man. I feel like that's a dead issue. Really? I'm boring you to death? The Living Dead again? We've binged like 10 episodes in a row of The Living Dead. So this is Karla. I hope you guys enjoyed meeting her. I hope you enjoyed unboxing her with me. If you're in the market for a pose and stay skeleton and you want something that's different, she's fabulous. If you want something that's well designed and well constructed, unfortunately, not the most durable tool in the shed. You're a one of a kind, my dear. There are actually others like her. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned to keep track of my misadventures. You can hit subscribe, and if you really want to keep track of me, you can hit that notification bell. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And as always, keep it wild. What, Squeaky? Do you have a new friend?